Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HTC U23 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean and how to fix your USB charging port on this device. If you wanna fix your USB charging port, of course you need to take this device to the customer service, but if you wanna use it, if you wanna fix it using the household items, so I can suggest only one tool to do it, on the toothbrush. Of course you can use the other tools, but just remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector on your device, because metal object can damage your USB charging port. So here, as you can see, we have the USB charging port, and here we have the toothbrush. And if you wanna clean it, you just need to insert one part of the brush to the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.